Salaam alaikum. Peace be upon those who submit to Allah. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Before speaking, we begin with his name and seek his protection. Rabbi Azubika, min hamajat shayatan, wa Azubika Rabbi Iadurin. My Lord, I seek refuge in you from the whisperings of the devils, and I seek refuge in you, my Lord, lest they be present with me. The miracle of 19. Guardians of the truth. 18 echoes of truth. 18 times, 6 prophets spoke the same pledge. I ask of you no reward. My reward is with Allah. Noah, Hud, Saleh, Lut, Shuaib and Muhammad, peace be upon them all. Each stood alone, teaching without profit, guiding without ego. This is the true signature of a messenger. Pure service to Aram, never for gain, always for truth. They guarded the book by sincerity. We, the people of this generation, will all stand before Al-Kabir, the most great, not as groups, not as titles, but as souls answering for our own deeds. Every transaction, every word, every teaching we sold or concealed will be laid open before the Lord of the throne. 18 times the Prophet said, I ask of you no reward, my reward is with Allah. Then Allah himself sealed it with the 19th command. Say, I ask you no payment for it. It is but a reminder for all the worlds. So those who refuse to guard themselves as the Quran commands will soon feel the heat of Mars 2.0, a burned and lifeless world right here on Earth. Do you not see, O people, how the fate of the disbelievers unfolds before our eyes? The land dries, the hearts harden, and blessings are withdrawn, all because we turned away from Aram and stopped obeying his book. What does Quran for? Command regarding marriage? A. Mark can be delayed or done on credit. B. Women must pay men. C. Men must give Mar willingly as a gift. D. Mar is optional. According to Quran 9, 107 to 108, where should believers not stand to pray? A. Anywhere on Friday. B. In a masjid built on disbelief and harm. C. In the desert. D. Before sunrise.